Good day everyone, my name is Matt and today I'm reviewing the Enginehawk Cookies and Cream leather jacket. So the jacket looks great, but how does it feel? This is my first leather jacket and wow, what a pleasant experience. I'm 5'11" with a lean build as you can see, and I ordered the size small. Right out of the box, the Enginehawk Cookies and Cream leather jacket was quite comfortable. This was a huge relief to me because I actually just returned a jacket from a different manufacturer because it was chafing my arms up. Literally every manufacturer of motorcycle gear likes to hype up their gear. So I was super pleased when I got this thing on my body finally and realized the folks at Enginehawk, they weren't kidding around. This mesh liner, super comfortable. No complaints there.
Now let's take a look at some of the features that make the Cookies and Cream stand out.
Moving up the center of the jacket, you'll find a double zipper all the way up to a snap collar. This allows you to keep the jacket snug up by your neck for protection, while loosening up the waist for more maneuverability and airflow while you're riding.
You may also notice that they've designed the arms to be slightly pre-curved. This is quite common in sport-focused jackets, and it's intended to make them more comfortable in the standard riding position. The pre-curved sleeves certainly don't compromise the look of the jacket either. I personally think this looks great off the bike, just as a casual leather jacket. And I mean, if it makes me feel sexy, why limit it to just motorcycle rides?
If you do choose to wear this casually, you may opt to remove the SazTech back armor for some extra maneuverability. They've made this super simple with this large Velcro enclosure on the inside.
This SazTech armor itself is impressive, to say the least. This is another area where manufacturers love to hype up their products. Enginehawk definitely made the right call here. It's so flexible and light and doesn't protrude to ruin the look of the jacket. If you're anything like me and you think backpacks make you look like a goofball on a motorcycle, I've got great news for you.
One of my favorite parts about this jacket, there's a total of 5 pockets in it. Crazy given how slim its profile is.
One breast pocket here, 2 external hand warmer style pockets here and here, and on the inside, a pocket here and a pocket here.
Well, we knew this was coming, didn't we? I'm going to preface this by saying the same thing all riders say: do not cheap out on your gear. It is in part designed to look great, but its main intent is to keep you safe, and any amount of money you spend can be justified as an investment to your safety. So for the Enginehawk Cookies and Cream leather jacket, we're going to break this down in Canadian dollars. $570 on the Enginehawk website, pretty competitive. Claimed free shipping, right on, I thought. But then, for us poor little Canucks, $206.12 import fees and duties. Oh, Canada. Grand total of $776.12 for the Enginehawk Cookies and Cream jacket. I think this would be a fair and competitive price if you're a UK resident, but that extra $200 duties fee, not a fan of that. While it's entirely subjective, here are my final thoughts on this jacket. The price tag I mentioned is within your budget. You will not be disappointed with this jacket. It looks phenomenal on the bike and even off the bike, maybe to give you a little sex appeal. I'm also super happy with the storage built into this motorcycle jacket. It's a huge relief knowing that I can bring anything I want with me for a fun ride without needing to carry a backpack around with me as well. So there it is, the Enginehawk Cookies and Cream leather jacket. If you want to check this out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. You can head over to their online store. Maybe it's right for you. Thanks for watching.